As we bring in the new year, who amongst us couldn't use a bit of good luck? And it seems that there are a lot of tasty food traditions and customs from all over the world that can bring us just that. In the Far East, eating noodles on New Year's is customary at Buddhist temples. And in some parts of China, it's a tradition for dumplings and steamed fish to be served at midnight. In Hispanic culture, to signify the 12 months of the year, many people eat 12 grapes at midnight. In Europe, those of German and Polish descent might eat herring in hopes of good fortune. And in Holland, the Dutch often eat a sweet donut-like apple fritter to welcome in the new year. Here in the States, many Southerners eat cooked greens on New Year's in hopes of it bringing prosperity. And the Pennsylvania Dutch tradition of eating pork and cabbage on New Year's Day for good luck is still going strong. And nothing is easier or tastier than our slow cooker version that is so tender you can pull it apart with a fork. And when you serve this with all that cabbage studded with chunks of apples, are you in for an Amish treat? As always, the recipe for Good Luck Pork and Cabbage is online now, just in time to bring you some good luck in the new year. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we're looking for a tastier way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.